Did you just have a practice of your guys' notes?
Yeah, we did it in the room.
Now let's hear everyone.
Taria, 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 te wā ka hoki mai, taku kai whakaora ki au.
Beautiful.
Us girls are off to get our hair and makeup done. Our appointment's at 12:30. We've got 2 people on every person. What I thought we were doing our own hair and makeup.
I tēnei wā kei te whakatika, kei te whakaātāhia, I te tātou makawe.
How'd you guys feel about getting your makeup done?
It was a bit different.
Yeah, it was cool.
So about you guys at the back, how are you guys feeling about being nominated?
Hikaka ana te ngākau, te mahi tēnei o ngā mahi waiata, ka tika kia mihi atu kia rātau, o ngā amorangi, e ki ana ko te amorangi kimi, ko te hāpai o Kimuri. Big opportunity and an honour to be part of this sort of kaupapa.
Pants shrunk overnight. I don't know what's happened. It must have been the bag they were in. Heat and everything. Really just sucking it in.
Oh man, it's just so good to have our rangatahi here. I tēnei tau, Aotearoa Musical Awards. Long dream of many aspiring artists, and so to have them here, not only as guests, but as closing acts for the awards, korunga tēnā.
It's been amazing. Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah, all good. So good to ki ngā kaumai.
We won 2 awards.
Tuatai, congratulations everybody. Too much us. This is the proof that when you do good things from a good space that's true and honest, ka puta mai ngā.
Oh boy! My emotions are just through the roof right now. I'm so happy. I'm ready to go up there and smash it and finish the night off.
Showtime.
Tinohu Mārie, tinohi kakaroto te tū i mua i te aroaro o ngā tangata katoa. I mua i ngā tōhunga, i mua i ngā kauata pai o te ao.
Whakaora ki au.